Want to create stunning letter masks with images and a text but not sure how? You're in luck. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you guys exactly how to design the perfect letter mask in Kittl. Once it's ready, we'll download it, print it out for DTF, and then press it onto a shirt so you guys can see how amazing it turns out. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Want to give Kittl a try? Sign up today and enjoy 25% off your first month or first year on any pro or expert plan. Just use the coupon code TRANSFERYT at checkout. Exclusive to new users only though. All right guys, we are here on Kittl. Let's just go straight to new project. And since we've been doing the following settings, it kind of has grown a liking to us as well. So all we have to do is set up 300 DPI, switch this to inches. Oh wow, never mind, it hates us. It completely hates us. I thought it was gonna go straight to 20 inch for both, but no. Did this last time, so it did it perfect. Loves to embarrass me. Okay, so starting off, we're just gonna do basically find a graphic that we want to letter mask. Let's do something more towards the elements. You know, we've done a lot of stuff in AI, so let's just do some illustrations here. Let's do a shark. Again, you guys could do whatever you guys want. I'm just showing you guys a way of how to letter mask and how to make it basically on point and make it right for you guys. And I'm liking the shark so far, but I want something that's just gonna give us a little bit of a hard time to do. I like this one because of the whole red mouth. It gives it a little bit more color, but I like the whole loop to it. You know, like a lot of them were kind of straight edge. I wanted a little bit more of a challenge for this. So let's make this a little bit bigger. And basically what we're gonna do here is find a font that we like. So we just need a font, you know, it's nothing crazy because we're just gonna do the name of the animal. So it needs to be precise. What we want to do is make sure we get both edges completely touching as close as possible, just so we could just solidly get this on, comes out. Okay, awesome. And then we're gonna duplicate it. And then the next letter is going to be H. And we're gonna make this slightly smaller, nothing crazy, just like a little bit smaller, just so we could get the edges off. Just touching the edge right here. And it's already on the fin, so I'm gonna have that stand out as well. And then we're gonna do another one, A. Again, making this slightly smaller. Again, this is just really gonna be making it a little bit more of like a creative way on how to represent a graphic. Let's just say you already have a graphic and you're kind of thinking to yourself, hey, how can I make this a little bit better? You know, like how can I make this stand out? This is a definite way of making it a little bit more creative, as well as also just standing out. And I know right now it's like, what are you talking about? What do you like? You guys will see, okay? This is more of a hold for the guys, hold for the process, okay? Again, we're squeezing things in here, okay? So it's a definite something that you have to mess around with. And let's do like that. And then duplicate it. Again, it's probably gonna be even smaller. Let's make this small. It should be more since it's acting as the tail. Let's put that more over here. There we go. Okay, and then let's duplicate that. And then last but not least is the K. All right, I'm making this as small as we can make it. And you guys are probably thinking, hey Matt, you just got letters on here. It doesn't look really any different. Trust the process, guys, okay? All right, understand, this is gonna look good, okay? Just take it, it takes its time. Just making it a quick maneuvers a little bit, just enough space. All right, I love it. Let's do our magic. We are going to make this random color, doesn't matter. Put this, let's send it another step backward. It's not going back, so let's just put this to the back because it will listen to us when it's to the back. And then we put this one to the back because we don't want to see that one right now. We just want this one. All right, now all right, here's the money shot, guys. Okay, we're gonna save. All right, upload, open. Once it's open, cool. All right, now we could delete this, and we could delete that. And then we're just gonna get close to the edge as possible, and then close to that edge too. All right, now what we need to do is vectorize. We have 2 colors. Vectorize those 2 colors to make it a lot easier to take one out. Knock out that black. Now we got this as a letter mask. We're gonna export it again, get it exported, take this out, upload the image, and what we're gonna do is put it all the way to the edges, move background. All right, so you could barely see that we got it really good on the lineup. So what we're gonna do first is actually get this first duplicated, and then we are going to work on it. First, rasterize this. Once you rasterize, you are going to just shave off the tops or the edges that you want. We want to shave off this until the head right here. Done. The next one, we want to, again, duplicate it, rasterize. We should duplicate the rasterized one, so we'll do that for now on. All right, done, and then duplicate that. All right, and then we are going to crop, and we're gonna get this fin right here. Done. Duplicate, crop, get this fin right here. There we go. Done. Click, duplicate, get this fin right here. There's a lot of fins, guys, okay, so bear with it. Again, you're probably looking, what are you doing? Just trust the process. All right, done. And this is the last one. Let's crop this out. We do have that other duplicate, so I still have to delete that. Very close to the edge. We're gonna have to do some kind of deletion on here. We want to make sure it gets off to where the K is. Then let's do a little small crease right here. We'll work on that after we take this one off. There we go. Now we just work on the edges. Let's clean this up. Using the eraser tool, we're just gonna clean up the S a little bit. Okay, let's bring that back. Oh, there we go. Just trying to get it as clean as possible. There we go. And then we're doing the same thing right here. Let's do it as big as possible. Let's see if we can clean up the edges. Push done. Actually, I see a little bit more right here. It's a little bit laggy, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Come on, there we go. All right, push done. Same right here. Ooh, we kind of moved that a little. Let's move that back. Let's go for some deletion. We're just cleaning it up. Sorry if I sound silent, I am focused, guys, okay? Understand that. Let me get that little bit right there, okay. Best would probably do, still don't even like this one as much. Let me get a little bit smooth. Here, a little bit, come on. All right, nope, too much, there we go. Looks like little pimples on the side, you know? Looks good, this good. All right, there we go. With this one, we want it big. I want it to go down towards the K. There we go. A little bit more. All right, I think it looks good. What do you guys think? To be honest, I think it came out pretty well, Shark. Again, this is just an example on what you guys could utilize this for, but I think it came out great. So on this end, let's export it. We are going to remove the background, optimize the quality. To be honest, you don't have to do that for this one, so then we're all good. Let's just export this. We want it to big size too as well. All right, and let's get this printed for DTF. We're just gonna go straight to our website. Then we're going to DTF transfers, go to our gang sheet builder, doing a regular 22 by 12. So it's a pretty big size. I don't know if I want it so big, so let's, oh, I didn't see this. You see, guys, that little red right there. Oh, let's clean that up. Back it out. Let's go pixel by pixel. And then erase the fill. We're gonna just do just a good smoothing. I wanna make sure it looks all right. Nope, doesn't. So let's go out first. See if, yeah, that does something. Nothing crazy though. but I don't like it. So we're gonna go back. And we're going to go into it again, very small. We just wanna clean up this. All right, exit eraser mode. That's the best we're gonna get it. I don't see much. I think we're good. I think we're in the clear, guys. Let's export this. Save it. Let's take this one out. Let's delete that one out and upload this one. Is it this one? I should have been a little bit better with the file name, but it is what it is. Let's see what we get. Yep, this one's it. I can barely see any difference on it, and I'm hoping I don't see any difference on the shirt. We will see. Stay tuned on that. Let's do another image. It looks like this one's a little bit big, so let's size it down. It doesn't even need to be that big, actually. Let's do, 9 inches too small, too small. Doing 10 for both. Let's see if we can, maybe 11. Didn't we have it 11? Directly 11. I had probably 11 something. Oh, wait, no. Will this work? Oh, let me see. I mean, yeah, like it should work. Wow, that's like wrong than tip on both. All right, it looks great. Both are at 11 by 1101. So let's save it and get printed. All right, I'll catch you guys on when I get the prints. Having fun watching? We got plenty more where that came from. Check out our channel for more tutorials, tips, and creative ideas. When you're ready to bring your designs to life, visit transfersuperstar.com for high quality DTF prints that stand out. All right, our gang sheet is ready. Let's take a closer look and see what we got. All right, so taking a closer look, guys, the graphic looks good. It came out very sharp. You can see on with the edges, everything is not really pixelated. It came out really good resolution. I mean, it's a simple graphic, nothing super crazy. Again, we're just really trying to showcase the lettering mass. But let's put it on a shirt, okay? But first, let's real quick just check out the size on it. We got it up to around 11 inches on the height. We don't really worry about much about the height, but it's good to kind of take a measure for it. And then we got it all the way to the 11 inch too. So this is like 11 by 11, very simple. Now let's get started. For our blanks, we are using these crisp white smart blanks with a style number of 402. It's a box side seam retail fit, 4.3 ounce and 100% comb ring spun cotton. It also has a tearaway label. As for the heat press, we've got our Heatmaster Prisma, your fan favorite from all our past videos. Now let's fire this up and start pressing. So let's get started right here. We're just gonna pull this out and then turn a laser on. And this is just gonna help us properly align our shirt. We're trying to find a midpoint. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's gonna be kind of hard with the whole shark design, but we're gonna try our best. We're gonna try our best. Let's do one at the bottom too. Go. All right. And we're gonna heat press this for 7 seconds, and it's gonna be for 300 degrees. Now, we're gonna add our matte finishing sheet on it. Might as well just give it a little texture. But let's take a closer look at this. All right, let's take a closer look here, guys. I love this design. I'm gonna be honest with you, just loving the letter mass. I feel like there's so much potential here that you guys could do. Really do any type of graphic, any type of words, any type of layout. It comes out great. Again, this was very simple, but just thinking about the potential that you guys could do. I would love to see it. If you guys do already have it, even in a video form, put it down in the comments down below and we'll check it out. But I think this came out really good, honestly. I don't know if you guys could see that, but that matte finishing sheet definitely put a little bit of an engraving on there. So I definitely like it. It came out really well. And it's very light too as well, very breathable. I think we did it, for sure. All right. And there you have it. We took a simple design and made it stand out by creatively masking it with text, all using Kittl. Then we printed it out, pressed it on a shirt, and brought it back to life. I hope you guys enjoyed the video because I had a blast making it. If you guys haven't already, sign up for Kittl using the code TRANSFERYT to get your 25% off your first month or first year on any pro or expert plan. New users only though. And if you're looking for a reliable DTF supplier or considering switching to a new one, we got you covered. If you found value in this video, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. See you guys in the next one.